It's like rubber. Fondant.
They have to look at that knife.
What is it, Lily?
It's an alien! I knew it!
Lily, what color is it?
It's both so far.
Donna. Yep. What is it, Lil? Oh, Dad, you're surrounded by beautiful women. Better luck next time. That means it's a diapers and wipe shower.
What
does it mean? It's a girl. It's a baby girl in there.
Congratulations.
No, it's a boy.
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
What's the name then, Lily? What's the girl name they like?
What is it?
Do you remember?
What is it?
She has a hard time remembering the girl name.
What does it rhyme with girl? Like
Elsie.
Troy and boy.
I think it's 25.
I know, here it comes. It's coming back.
Mm.
You there?
Like Roy? Where'd Troy go?
Okay.